Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm dipping into a new set of metallics that I got from my daughter for Mother's Day. I got so many colours that I didn't know where to start. So I asked her to pick a colour and she picked this one, which is Chartreuse. I could be saying that wrong, but that was a tricky colour to start with because I thought, I've got no idea what's going to go with that. So I've done a little bit of research online and had a look at colour palettes and all sorts of things, and we've ended up, between the two of us, coming up with this colour palette, which has got so this is Chartreuse, pink, lilac, purple, and I've added in a contrast of the olive green. So these four metallics, and that's not. And I've also got some white. This is what I've used for swipe mix in the past. So I've mixed these all with just Australian floetrol, no water at all, and I have this cookie cutter. So my plan here, I also have the spinner. So this is all very new for me because I don't use the spinner normally. I've never used this cookie cutter, and this color palette is completely different. So this is going to be a big experiment. The plan is an open cup type situation. So I'm going to put some paint down, put the cookie cutter on, start pouring in, and I haven't decided whether to just let them go out evenly or whether to turn it as I go. So we'll have a look how it starts to come out. Let's get started. All right, so what I thought, I'm not sure if I've got enough paint mixed up. So that's the first issue. I've made them thinner than I normally have my paints. I think that's maybe because of the floetrol. Australian floetrol is runnier than the other floetrols, I believe, from what I've been told. I've never used the other ones because they're harder to get here. So I have a bit of leftover from my purple, same colour, so I might use that to wet down my edges to make sure the paint spreads. But we'll see how we go, because I just didn't really want any leftover. I'm going to start with the dark olive in the middle. I'm wondering if I should make a bit more of that up, because I do want to lay some in between. So I might quickly do that. Okay, I just made up a little bit extra, not a lot. Alright, let's place this down. I'll try and get it in the center. I'm not sure how much this will move, whether it's going to float at all or not, because it's not plastic, it's metal, so it's a bit heavier. And this is my main color. I might start with that. Right, it's starting to come out here. But I think I might want to just lift it a little bit. And see what happens. That is interesting. That white is sinking through. We're getting pearls, not pearl cells, we're getting cells. This is a pretty colour combination. Should I turn it? Like, alright, let's turn it a fraction. I'm going to finish off these colours now, I think. I'm not sure how I'm going to finish off the middle either. Just put a little bit of dark green there. Let's go for the amount of the Chartreuse in the middle. I'm not sure how I want to do this middle bit. I'll let it go now. Might get some nice stripes through it maybe. There's certainly a lot of the dark green. I think I'm going to finish it like that. And then let's try this first. Do I want to do a little swipe? I kind of like this here. I want to try something interesting there. I might just try and swipe these colours through. Didn't work the way I thought. I'm going to try a little white swipe. That looks kind of cool. Makes me kind of want to do another bit like that. But I like these big bold colours. I'm getting close to the edge here now too. This is just Amsterdam titanium white. Something like that. Alright, I'm going to wet these corners down with a little bit of this. Do I want to do anything else? Let's get the torch. You never know. if anything else is going to pop up. I know this is going to come off, and I like the bright colour through there, so I'm going to attempt to swipe that up into that area, I think, so that maybe it shows on this corner. There's nothing wrong with mixing a few techniques. I don't know how this is going to go. Alright, let's give it a light spin. A bit worried how green this is in the middle. We do have some nice lacing though. Lacing and cells. Alright, let's give it a whirl. There we go. Maybe that was too hard. That definitely has covered it. I don't know what to do here. I did like the way it's got a nice shine through there. I kind of feel like it might need to go this way a bit. Maybe that's what it needs. I've got a bubble there in the middle. Just thick paint there or something. I don't like what I did there though. That's better. Just want that purple off to the side. Not so. Some cells popping up through there. So I'm just looking at it and feeling like I need to tilt it maybe that way, because the part that I wanted to keep is bothering me, which is strange. It is upsetting my lacing though. So I actually like this bit here, so I don't know what is that. I wonder if I should try and bring that around. I think I liked it better without fiddling, but I have fiddled, so I'm going to stop fiddling. Didn't mind the extra stretching, but I think we'll stop with the fiddling. So this part's bothering me so much, I decided to put it back on the spinner. I'm going to give it another spin. This is really beautiful, and so is this. So if this just comes off the edge a bit, I think I'll be happy. Let's give it a whirl. I don't want to spin it too hard. I'm just looking. Don't like the way that's coming through like that. Alright. I think that's a little better. Got this weird bit going straight through here, which is kind of odd. I would have preferred it be curved, but I think that would do. Okay, here is the dry result. And I'll show you the shine because we use the metallics, so it is quite shiny. It's really quite pretty. Especially with the olive green doesn't have the shine, so you go through this bit here, you can see there's that streak of the olive, and so that doesn't shine, so it makes the other part pop a bit, if you know what I mean. So I nearly didn't put this one up on YouTube. I just wasn't sure about it, and it's mainly this part here, just because it's so vertical or horizontal if you look at it this way, but this bit through here I really like, and I think it's just a really interesting piece. It's nothing like anything I've done, so it's good to do different things every now and again. Yeah, this is quite different. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like people experimenting, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.